Hi guys, I'm Davina from Angelica Yarns, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make and use a tension regulator. To get started, you will need any regular worsted weight number 4 yarn and a 3.5mm hook. To begin, I'm going to make a slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot, please check out the link in the description below to learn. Now that my slip knot is done, I'm going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to slip stitch to the first chain that I made. If you don't know how to do a slip stitch, again, check out the link in the description below to learn. Now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in each stitch around. Make sure that your tail is not in the way like mine is. You're going to sew that in later, just hold it back for now. Double crochet in each stitch around. When I finish these double crochets, I'm going to slip stitch to the top of my first double crochet in this round. Some people like to slip stitch into the chain 3 space, but I think it's more secure to slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet. The yarn through, okay. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet into each stitch around. Again, at the end of this row, you're going to slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet of the round. Before I begin my last round, I'm going to flip my work inside out. Now I'm going to chain 3. Double crochet into each stitch around. And just like the previous round, you're going to slip stitch into the top of your first double crochet of this round. After I finish my slip stitch, I'm going to fasten off my yarn. Now I'm going to sew in my ends. If there are any stitches or skills used in this video that you need to learn, please check out the description below for links to my other tutorials. Now that we've made our tension regulator, let's learn how to use it. To start, put the tension regulator on your pointer finger of your non-dominant hand. I'm going to make a slip knot with whatever yarn I'm using. Put it to the side. I'm going to insert my hook into the first 3 double crochets of my tension regulator. Attach my slip knot and pull it all the way through. I made my tail a little too long, but it's okay. Now tug on the yarn to leave just enough space for you to crochet with the string. And give it a try. That's all you need to know about how to make and use a tension regulator. Thank you for watching.